Review of Huhtamaki PPL. This company was earlier named as Paper Products. Huhtamaki took over this company. It is in the business of packaging materials. The products, when you buy like Britannia biscuits, Sunfeast biscuits, tea or coffee pouches, atta pouches, all those pouches are manufactured by this company. This is a leader in the industry, not only in India, it's a global leader, very big company that is in the packaging space. Let's look at the rankings of Huhtamaki PPL. Earnings rank is 82.4, fantastic ranking. Company has been making very good profits. That's what this ranking says. Price rank is 65.9. Anything less than 70 is not worth to look at. That we have been telling in all the review videos. If we see the ranking chart from July, if we track, it started at 55.6, went down somewhere around 42, 43, and after that it climbed up. It had a big run, moved past 75 kind of, then now it is resting at 65.9. This big surge happened because the industry went into a very big demand requirement post the COVID lockdown. What happened was, because of lockdown, people started buying more and more packaged products to keep them stored in the house. This created a huge demand, and that brought a lot of business for this companies in the packaging space. As of now, the stock is taking rest. That's why this image which we have put here, a man is sleeping on the grass. Looking at the business growth, there was a huge surge in profit. This kind of profit surges is not good. When such things happen, it will, most of the times it will not support, because once something goes from 100 to 150, that is 50%. From 150 to have another 50%, it should go to 225, which might not be possible. Generally, such kind of big upsurges will drop, and that's what happened in this company also. Profit in its September quarter results, that result came somewhere in November, that's why that jump is showing at November levels. September 19 results and December 19 results had very big profit growth. After that, it started declining. March was down, June was down, and September is even down on profits. Sales, this business has consistency in its sales because packaging requirement is a continuous requirement in the market. So those companies which are supplying packaging products, they will have continuous business. So sales, it's looking like stagnant. Growth is very much slow, while margins they have been maintaining with slight increase in the margin that is coming up, it's showing up in the charts. Probably this surge in price and drop, surge in profit and the drop that it had is maybe holding the stock price. That is why we put that rope being held. Investor interest, retail investors have been buying this stock since March, and the stock has already had a good run, so they have made good profits also. So apart from retail, MF have been doing small purchases. Otherwise, FIs, we don't know why FIs have made a mistake in this stock. They have sold it in post January, Jan 20. That is when the results started declining. They started selling, and they actually lost the next surge that the stock had. So investor interest, retail is showing more interest. Coming to the stock price movement, we use a monthly and weekly chart to study the patterns. Here on the monthly chart, we have put a big arrow on top that shows this stock is non-trending for a very long time. From 2018 itself, the stock has been non-trending. When in non-trending, what happens is there will be losing positions. That whatever buy we do in the stock, it will come back in price and it will hit the stop loss. If suppose we are following a stop loss method of investing, consistently we will keep having losing positions when the long term is in range. So obviously, if somebody has to buy this stock, wait for the stock to trend on the longer time frames, then buy at the value zone. As of now, we cannot find the value zone because the stock is not trending. If we come to weekly, we can see the price surged and it is now taking rest. So when a new trend comes in the stock, that is the time to buy. That's why that image we have put there. when a boy becomes a kid, he becomes happy and is lifting his leg. So when such kind of lift happens in this stock, we can buy this stock. Not now, though the industry is looking very positive. Stock is not showing that kind of strength. While this is a business which can be held in many portfolios because of the consistency that the business has. Packaging material requirement will consistently be there. Of course, there is a lot of threat for the plastic packaging material, while this company has that acumen, money power with it to do research, and they will obviously place themselves on the topmost position with all the innovations that will happen in the market too. So all views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. Those who are wanting to buy or sell stock, do your judgment analysis, get comfortable, and then make a decision to buy the stock. Thank you.